Hi guys, this is Kitty of Faire Treasures, and I wanted to give y'all a quick update as to the status of the new location of the Faire Treasures workshop. Today I've been prepping the appointment area of the workshop, getting the jewelry area set up, which you can see a little bit of my setup here as I load up the neck forms of jewelry displays into the jewelry cabinet. Now, I don't yet have a sign on my front door. Hopefully I will be able to do that in the next couple of weeks. But this past weekend, my husband helped me getting some of this layout set up and putting up these curtains because with these large windows, this area was getting really hot. Not to mention the fact that I really need these to block the sunlight off of the clothing that is eventually going to go up here. This past weekend, we started moving some of my displays into here, so these will end up on these walls here. These will all be clothing sample displays. Since this is a rather small appointment area versus my last workshop, this is just going to be samples. I will only have one of each color and each style out on display, and then all of my other sizes, if you find something that you like, are going to be back down that hallway in my warehouse for me to go and grab for you. And one of the things I have been waiting on to allow appointments again are these two pieces of paper. Those are permits necessary to operate this location. To give y'all the quick run through of this space, coming through the front door, we've got the sizing corsets here to the left. Past that are the display corsets of all the different colors, fabrics, and styles we have available. These are the regular stock ones. These are our clearance ones. Got our mirror for getting things tried on so you can see how that different silhouettes look. And then we just got the jewelry case into here this past weekend. Got this set up earlier, which saw the little time lapse of that. This lady still needs more outfit, and she will probably end up over there by the front door covering up that fire hydrant. Fire extinguisher. It's an extinguisher. That's what that is. Now I'm really hoping that we are able to finish setting up the appointment area this coming weekend. I don't know if that will fully happen, so I do have appointments available on my appointment request form. They are subject to change if you put in a request for next week, as I try to get all of this finalized and fully set up and ready for you, because I want y'all to have the best experience possible when you come into this location. The new Faire Treasures workshop is less than a mile away from the previous spot that we were at. Now, the old spot on Pioneer Parkway was in Arlington city limits, and the new one is located in Grand Prairie city limits on Great Southwest Parkway. You can request your appointment by going to my website, fairetreasures.com, and scrolling to the bottom of the page for the book an appointment link.